Spencer, go for the dips! Hayden's kicking your butt, man. That's Hayden's unique talent right there.
He got me like 3 times, but the one time was totally worth it.
Yeah, because Spencer goes.